Step number 1. Remove the front fender flare. Remove the fender flare by rotating the locking tabs, then pulling the flare straight off. Step number 2. Remove the fender liner. Use a screwdriver and a pry tool to remove the 4 push clips. Step number 3. Install the inner mounting bracket. Pull the liner back and install the bracket into the 2 upper push clip holes. Step number 4. Install the outer mounting bracket. Install onto the studs and secure with the provided 10mm nuts and washers. Step number 5. Reinstall the fender flare. Reinstall the flare and rotate the locking tabs to secure. Step number 6. Reinstall the fender liner. Reinstall the fender liner and secure with one of the provided push clips. Step number 7. Install the mud flap. Install the mud flap using the provided 5mm Allen bolts and washers, but do not tighten. Step number 8. Install the push clip. Install the provided push clip into the mud flap, then secure into the factory hole. Step number 9. Adjust and secure the mud flap. Adjust to align with the fender flare, then tighten the 2 5mm Allen bolts. Step number 10. Remove the rear fender flare. Remove the rear fender flare by rotating the locking tabs, then pulling the flare straight off. Step number 11. Remove the push clip from the liner. Use a screwdriver and a pry tool to remove the push clip. Step number 12. Remove the 10mm bolt from the fender. Step number 13. Install the clip nut. Install the clip nut into the fender liner bracket. Step number 14. Install the rear upper bracket. Install the rear upper bracket with the factory 10mm bolt and provided 5mm Allen bolt and washer. Step number 15. Tighten the 10mm bolt and the 5mm Allen bolt. Step number 16. Install the rear lower bracket. Install the rear lower bracket onto the body mount bolts using the provided 15mm nuts. Step number 17. Install the slider bracket. Install the slider bracket onto the mud flap with the provided 5mm Allen bolts and washers. Step number 18. Install the rear mud flap. Install the rear mud flap using a 5mm Allen bolt and washer to secure the flap to the upper bracket, but do not tighten. Step number 19. Install onto the slider bracket. Install the slider bracket onto the studs of the rear lower bracket. Step number 20. Install the 10mm nuts and washers. Install the nuts and washers onto the studs of the rear lower bracket, but do not tighten. Step number 21. Reinstall the rear fender flare. Reinstall the rear fender flare and rotate the locking tabs to secure. Step number 22. Adjust the mud flap. Adjust the mud flap to align with the fender flare, then tighten the nuts and bolts. Step number 23. Repeat this process for the other side.